So you're in the market for a new set of mud tires. But you don't want to break the bank, and there are so many options. Lucky for you, we've put together our top 5 favorite MT tires under $1,800. Let's go check these out. All right, so starting out, number 5 on our list is going to be the RBP Repulsor XT RX. The RBP is going to be the only one on our list that's more of an RT-MT hybrid. You'll see that in the tread here. We've got some step tread. It's more of a showy tire. You got the R's embedded in the tread. We got some stars here, stars on the sidewall as well. But in typical MT fashion, we've got wide voids, big side lugs here. I am sweating profusely. Holy f. Something kind of cool about the RBPs here, they've got these scoops inside of the tread block here to eject debris, things of that nature. It can go in the mud and it can function in the mud. RBP is also going to be the only one on our list that has a mileage warranty. Now, most MT tires are going to give you a manufacturer's warranty because you're not supposed to be driving these on the road. These are for off-road use. RBP recognizes that this is more of a show tire MT, and they do offer a 50,000 mileage warranty, but it's going to be a quieter overall mud tire. This one is also going to come in an E-load range, so if you're looking for a heavier duty truck, this is going to be in the light end, but perfectly fine for your half-ton trucks. At number 4, we've got the Venom Power Terra MT. Now this is going to be a more traditional mud tire in the tread design. You'll see we've got a lot of mud ejection, stone ejectors here, wide voids on the side tread, a little bit tighter in the center, a little more universal. That knife's edge design is what they call it. Now for the sidewall, again, this is going to be more of a showy type tire. They do have a lot of siping, and they've got dual sidewall designs. So if you want, some more aggressive design, you can throw this one. If you want a little bit more subdued, a little bit more traditional sidewall, you can throw this side out. These are also going to be E-load rated only, great for a half-ton truck, a little bit on the light end for a 3/4 ton or a 1 ton if you're going to be doing a lot of towing. So overall, a really good option for a more traditional looking MT tire with more of a show-oriented sidewall, something that can stretch onto a bigger wheel if necessary. All right, coming in at number 3, we've got the AMP Terrain Attack MTA. Now, this is probably the oldest tire in our list here. This one's been out for quite a while. We've ran this on tons of trucks over the years. It's a great all-around mud tire. Again, as you'll see with the sidewall and like their AMP styling, the little A's in it, it's more show design sidewall, but it's still a functional tire at the end of the day. This one again is going to be E-load range, so perfectly fine for your half-ton trucks. A little bit on the low end for 3/4 tons. You'll see we've got the very traditional flat tread on these bad boys. Big flat side lugs. We got our stone ejectors here. Big flat center tread. Repeated design. This thing is made to dig into the mud. Again, this tire has been around forever. Sell a ton of these. It's a really great option in this price range. Coming in at number 2, we've got the Kenda Klever MT2. This is probably going to be our most mud tire of the group here. You'll see that this is way more aggressive, definitely geared more towards actual use than the other tires on our list. The Kenda is going to have the wildly aggressive tread pattern here. You'll see it's also drilled to be studdable. It's got a ton of siping. This tire is capable in basically all climates. Anything you throw at it, this tire is going to handle. It's also got a lot less flex than the other tires. You'll see it's got a bead guard here so you don't get it mud, rocks, debris shoved into the bead of the wheel. It's also got 2 sidewall designs on here. The more smooth, the less aggressive sidewall here. And then we spin it around, we've got the raised letter, more old school style sidewall. This tire is actually going to be F-load rated as well, so heavy enough for the heavy duty trucks. Still will work on the lighter duty trucks as well. Overall, a phenomenal tire. This tread design you can see here is just going to eat up anything you can throw at it. Kenda always does a really good job with usable tires, and it's honestly amazing that it comes in at as low a price as it does, because this is definitely a tire to contend with. All right, guys, at number 1, we're going with the Gladiator X Comp MT. This is, hands down my favorite tire personally. I have run these on show trucks. I've run these on off-road trucks. I actually have a set of these on my daily. This is an amazing overall tire. Very aggressive tread pattern here. You'll see the big flat side blocks, big voids, stone ejectors. They've also got an aggressive corner tread on every other lug to really grab, in addition to the lug on the sidewall. These things are made to perform in off-road environments. They're fairly loud, but they're actually not that loud on road, as loud as you would expect. Now, in addition to being so overly aggressive, these are actually a load range F, which means they're gonna be good for a heavy duty application as well as light duty trucks. If you got anything out there that needs to get off-road, Gladiator is gonna be a good option for you. All right, guys, so there you have it. Our top 5 mud tires under $1,800, from show style specific tires to a more traditional mud tire to the more aggressive get out of anything mud tire. Let us know if there's anything we missed, tire you like better, and don't forget to subscribe, Custom Offsets TV, and go get yourself a set of mud tires at CustomOffsets.com.